Are you ready to dive in making your own DIY lotions? If that's something you're interested in, you definitely don't want to miss this tutorial. In this tutorial, I have a new body lotion base from Midwest Fragrance Company that made everything so simple and easy. And I'm going to show you exactly what I use to make one of my top selling body creams. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the lotion base, which is naturally moisturizing. So on the website, it says, introducing our very own Midwest original lotion base. It is an unscented, naturally moisturizing formula designed to cater to your daily skincare needs, and it's hydrating through, keeps you hydrated throughout the day. And then it also says this formulation features a highly effective emollient, commonly used in the cosmetic industry, such as cetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol. These exceptional fatty alcohols work in tandem to create a luxury, effective moisture barrier, leaving your skin soft and supple. And then additionally, the formula incorporates a humectant property, which is glycerin, which I love that. I love glycerin. It definitely draws moisture into the skin. And so that helps to, keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. I also love that it is paraben and vegan friendly, and it has a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. So you can use this body cream or lotion on the face, you name it. So this base can be utilized for every part of your body. So perfect for any skincare lineup is what it states. So this is the lotion base. This is how it came. It comes in a 16-ounce container. Actually made a couple of body butters at my event, for my Black History event, and it seemed to go off really well. They really, really enjoyed it. And I like it as well. And it was easy to make. So I'm going to make a scent called Amber Woods, which is one of the scents in my store. So if you want to check that out, it should be up by the time I get finished with this video. And just really a nice, fresh, unisex fragrance. It has a little bit of woodiness and it has a hint of leather in it. So it's really, really good. That was one of the first butters to sell out at my event. And then I also made the cherry bomb. The cherry bomb, my customers at work love it. And I didn't make much of it because I wasn't sure how people would receive it, but it's actually a good one too. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to clean off my workstation. So now that I have everything clean and sanitized, all you'll need is a scale, a container, and a mixing tool, and your fragrance, which we'll get to later. So I'm just gonna make one small one just as a demonstration. So this literally takes no time at all. So I'm gonna make a 4-ounce jar. So I don't like it to be too strong. So I literally use probably 2 to 3% when it comes to lotions. Now butters, I go a little bit heavier on the fragrance because the oils tend to soak up the fragrance. So I put about 4.2 of the lotion base, and then I'm gonna literally use probably 3% of what I call Amber Woods. And this is the fragrance I'm using from Midwest Fragrance Company. This is really fresh. I'll put the notes up on the screen. And when I tell you, this is a game changer. So I'm going to use 2% of this to mix with my lotion base. I'm going to use about 2.5% because what I've been doing is adding a little bit of jojoba oil to the mixture just to give it a good, really good, it's good on its own, but I like to add that additional moisture, you know. So I'm using these pipettes. These are millimeter pipettes. So it's about 3 millimeters of fragrance that goes into this 4 ounce. So I'm going to use about 2.5 milliliters and like 1/2 milliliter of jojoba oil. So they have numbers on them. I did get these off of Amazon. So I'm going to use about 2 milliliters. This smells so good and so fresh. And a little goes a long way. When I say a little goes a long way. So this is the jojoba oil. I'm using 100% pure jojoba oil. And like I said, it's only going to be about 1/2 milliliter. Oh, I almost lost it in there. So not much, just a little bit, because what you want to do is compensate for the fragrance oil. So you don't want to put too much jojoba oil in there because then you'll have a greasy lotion. So you just basically, the hard part is done. You just mix it all up. This is the consistency. It smells so good. Website, I've seen some people said that they didn't like it. Well, not some people. I think it was like one person said it had a funny smell, and I didn't get that with my batch. So maybe he or she got a bad batch, but I didn't get that with this. Really simple and easy, and I've used it even on myself, and I don't get any tackiness. It's just a really good consistency. And I even thought about using this to add to some of my shea butters, body butters in the wintertime, just to make it a little bit more moisturizing, you know, because when you add a lotion base to thicker butters, it's a lot creamier. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what it looks like, or just a demonstration on the skin. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's more like, and this is at my actual labels for this container. So when it sits for 24 hours, they suggest to let it sit for 24 hours. But that is the consistency. So I'm just going to use a little bit off the top here so you guys can see how light and fluffy it is. So it immediately goes right into the skin, and that's what I love about it. So you can see under better lighting, like it is so moisturizing. My skin is not dry, it's not tacky to the touch. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you tried this recipe, if you've tried the Midwest Fragrance Company lotion base, and how you like it, or if you don't like it, leave me a comment and we can talk about it. Until next time, thanks for watching.